Honestly, I am glad that you're laughing now.
I'm not just laughing, but I'm happy. Courtesy of you. Thank you very much.
That's really nice. I'm excited.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'll have to be on my way now.
Come on, AJ, please. Hold on. Don't go.
Huh?
Don't go.
But why? You know that's impossible. I have to leave. I've got things to do.
Why not stay till tomorrow?
No, I can't.
If you leave me right now, start thinking again. I may even go back thinking of committing suicide again. Please, stay with me. I know it's a difficult demand that I'm making, but just do it for me, please. Please.
Please don't ever say that again. Don't ever talk about suicide. Okay, fine. I'm going to stay with you today, but tomorrow morning, I'll leave.
Thank you for staying today. Don't worry about tomorrow, okay? Let me make food for you to eat.
I'll be so glad watching you make it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right.
Okay, no. After you.
All right.
After you. All right.
Please come. Please sit.
Oga Pilot, your house is fine.
Thank you, but sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome to my place.
Thank you, sir. Your place is very fine.
Thank you. I just try. So, what do I offer you?
Nothing, sir.
No, don't do that, please. It's your first time here. You should take something, please. Please.
Okay, anything soft.
Anything soft you'll get. Just relax.
Thank you, sir.
Okay? Relax. Yeah.
Polo. Who is that babe? That girl? That girl that just came in talking.
Do I need to tell you that she's the new cook?
Which new cook? Eh? From the way I'm seeing that girl is not any new cook. Didn't you see the way Oga led her into the house? Ha! She's not a cook. I'm telling you.
So what are you insinuating?
From the way I'm seeing them, that girl is Oga's new babe.
Huh? Mm-hmm. Andy, I come out of here.
Why?
I did not say anything. Are you okay? I'm not sure you're okay. You okay?
I'm fine.
Oh, well, that will never have anything to do with such local girl. So don't even say that again. Yes,
sir. Calling this girl a local girl?
Yes, sir.
A local girl?
Uh-huh.
So, in your mind now, Oga have choice when it comes to girls. Yeah? Oga that used to bring old cargoes, old model, local rappers here, and you say Oga has choice. Which choice is that?
It's like you are already iron that guy.
See, let me tell you, let me just warn you. Small time now, you tell me if Oga mess up, I will carry him. Remove your eyes from this one. Remove your eyes. You have already called that local girl. Just remove your eyes from this one. I know what I'm telling you. Just remove your eyes. You like her? What do you like her? What do you like her? No. I know I'm saying it too. Small time now, you can't smoke that thing that you used to smoke. If you smoke now, you can't tell me if Oga mess up. I will jump in.
Your mind don't lay there.
I don't tell you. Just remove your eye. Don't tell me if Oga fuck up now, I'll jump in. If you jump in, I'll bring you out.
Juliet.
Sir.
I invited you here because I want to discuss something very important with you.
I'm listening, sir.
I don't even know how to begin. It's heavy. But however, I'll find a way to get through it. It's something really, really important to me. You know, a strong decision that I have made.
Hogger Pilot,
Yes.
please feel free and talk to me. Trust me, I'll understand.
You will?
I will.
How would you feel if I tell you that I don't ever want to get married?
But why? Do you have hatred for women or something?
Oh, no. Not at all. As a matter of fact, I love women. I appreciate women. I work very well with women. You know, every lady who's had to work with me over the years, you know, they have glorious things to say about me. It's just that when it comes to partnership, I have decided that I don't want a wife.
Well, my uncle once said same thing, so it's not new to me. Okay. Up until he met with his old-time schoolmate and is presently married with her. So it's...
Yeah, there's a difference here. I don't belong to the same school with your uncle, so I have no former schoolmate to run into and reconnect. I am never going to get married, Juliet, and I'm serious about it. I just want a decent lady. To, to carry my babies, like get into some kind of contract with a decent lady who would carry my babies, give birth to them, and and I pay her off and then she leaves.
If I got you right, you're looking for someone you would pay to do this.
Yes, handsomely. 10 million naira per child. That'll be 20. I'm looking at a boy and a girl. I promise to offer best medical attention. I'll take care. I would cater. I would make it easy. Juliet, please. This is the reason I have called you here. Is this something that you feel you can do?
I will do it.
What? Oh my goodness. Whew. Ha! You have made my day. Thank you. Thank you.
But on one condition.
Okay, so talk to me. What would that be?
That I don't get to be paid for this.
Say that again.
Yes, you heard me. I'll do this only on the condition that you don't pay me.
Why?
Look, you consider me decent enough to carry your children in my womb. And that's a huge stuff for me already. Really, I'll do it.
Where are you from?
I am not going to call you names. But judging from what my father told me long before he died, I think I want to say this to you.
What is it?
Only fools take their lives. That was exactly what my father said.
I know you were going to use this against me someday. But you see, a lot of things was going wrong in my life that time.
No, you're wrong. I'm not that kind of person. I swear on my life that I would never use your past against you. Never will I.
I am happy you came in the time you did, honestly.
It's the Lord's doing. And I also believe that you have overcome all suicidal thoughts.
I am a brand new person, inspired to face challenges of life and win.
If you ask me, I would say that you need your wife to face those challenges and win. So, What efforts are you making to reunite with her?
On the contrary, I have already concluded my presentation in the court. The evidence I have is weighty enough for the court to dissolve the marriage.
Are you trying to say that you will not forgive her?
The issue of forgiveness does not even arise. The New Testament said that marriage can only be dissolved on the ground of infidelity. Ijoma, I caught her red-handed. And each time I try to get it out of my mind, the picture keeps bringing itself. It's not easy.
I know. Trust me, I understand how you feel right now. Trust me, I understand how you feel right now. But you have to calm down. Okay? It's not easy, but you have to put yourself together. I will keep praying for you.
Thank you.
And I pray that God gives you the strength and of course a chance to be happy again. Okay?
Thank you.
So can we talk about your friend now?
No. Okay, what about him?
You know, I wasn't expecting you to say yes. You know, I was thinking you'd say, "Oh no," because I understand. This carries a lot of weight.
Well, you're right. That's what is expected of every normal girl, to say no. But come to think about it.
Yes.
If I say no and then you beg me, and I later turn around and do it, what difference would it make saying no in the first instance?
Such maturity. Well, most women will tell you that they are just being women, you know.
I call it pretense and not being a woman.
Oh, wow. You are deep. You know, looking at you from afar, one would not be able to tell that you're this intelligent and deep. But I'm impressed, really.
Just being me. But on the other hand, I really like you, a pilot, and it would be a thing of unspeakable joy to get to carry your children in my womb.
You have to stop talking now, eh? Before you get me emotional. You have to stop. But thank you so much. You know what? I'm going to have to change into something else and take you to my mother so that I can introduce you to her, and then we sign the necessary documents, and then we take it from there, right?
That's fine, no problem, sir.
There's no time. Come on, drink up.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Mom, you remember that we talked and I told you that I'll find her someday. And when I do, I'll come present her to you.
I'm trying to understand what you're saying. Who are you presenting to me?
Aha. Right here. Come on, say hello to my mom.
Good evening, ma'am.
Her name is Juliet, Mom. The one that I have chosen to carry my children, Mom.
This thing. This thing to bear my grandkids. You know, son, you're joking.
Mom, I'm not joking, I'm serious. I'm not here so that you can influence my decision. No, I am here because I promised you that I will keep you posted as regards all that is going on in my life. That's why I'm here. Stop embarrassing my guest.
Biamo Chicha, listen to me. I don't care what he might have told you. You're hearing from me now. You don't fit in to my family standard. Do you get me? You don't fit in!
Mother, What? I'm not going to let you make this young lady feel bad. No. It is not in your place to choose for me. It's my right to choose. I have made my decision, Mother. She is the one. Mom, I'd interest you to know that she has accepted my conditions. You know what I'm talking about, and everything is sealed.
No, it's not sealed. Son, nothing is sealed. I am your mother, and I will make you understand you can do this without my consent. You can't! You know, Paula?
Have a good day, Mother.
What nonsense! What's wrong with him? I brought classy ladies for him. He turned them down. He rejected them all. And now he's here with this nonentity. Oh, no. It's not possible. No. It's not happening.
Are you okay?
Your mother does not like me.
Yeah, but it's me you're dealing with.
But she still has to give her blessings.
Well, not exactly in this case. If we're getting married, we would be needing her blessings, but in this case, it's this contract agreement that we need to honor. I was hoping that we'd sign this, in her presence, but then again, what happened? So I would like for you to read it and...
Where do I sign?
Oh no, Juliet, you need to read it, okay, and understand the terms.
You have explained it before, which is that I bear you children, a boy and a girl.
Yeah.
After which I go my way, never to come back for any reason whatsoever. I got you.
You didn't add the part where I said that I'll pay 10 million naira for each child. So that brings it to 20 million for both kids.
I am not interested in your money, Oga Pilot. Like I told you before, I like you and that's the only reason I'm doing this, not for your money.
Thank you. But you'd be staying at my place, until the contract is done.
No problem, sir.
Come on now. Cheer up, I'm here. Yeah? Like I said, it's me you're dealing with, not my mother. I got you covered.
I hope you enjoyed your food.
It was nice. You're a good cook, I must say. I enjoyed myself.
Thank you.
I have to go now. Okay. Oh, would you like to walk me to the car?
Sure, why not?
Sure. All right, let's go.
After you.
What is that your name again?
My name is Juliet, ma.
I thought I told you that you do not fit into our family standard. And you still followed my son home.
I'm sorry, ma, but Oga Pilot insisted I stay back.
Oh, really? You see that Oga Pilot? He's not just my son. My only son. If you know what is good for you, go in there, pick everything, whatever that belongs to you, and leave this place now. If I slap you, you will forget your name. Get out from my sight. Come on, Chicha. Nonsense. And don't waste my time. Get out!
I still can't believe that you descended so low for a roadside fruit seller.
Life. Yeah, life. You know, what moves man A in a woman will not necessarily be the same thing that moves man B in a woman. I am moved by this girl for a lot of good reasons, and that is why I have settled for her.
There must be a reason. There must be something spectacular about this girl. Would you mind to share with your friend?
Oh, well, it's not far-fetched. Like I said, I like her. She's natural. Yeah, she's natural. She comes across as someone that comes from a home. Otago? Yeah. She has respect, which is far-fetched in the times that we live in, you know. She's also not the internet type. She's not all over the place. And she's not a slay queen. If you know where I'm going with that. So.
I know. I like her. Obviously, she's exactly what you want in a woman.
Oh, of course. And more.
If she's exactly what you want in a woman, why not just go straight and get married to her? Why wanting to engage her into a contract marriage?
And there again, you and I are confronted with that individual difference. Now listen, the reason you would want to keep a woman be totally different from why I would want to keep a woman.
But you said you don't want to keep any woman as a wife.
Yes. A decision that I feel that people around me must respect. But you have a problem with it. I like the girl. She's nice enough, you know, and she looks cool-headed enough to give me the number of kids that I want, and I'm cool with that.
I'm afraid just do the needful.
What's the needful?
Marry her officially.
Jeremy, must I get married?
It's a necessity.
Oh, Jay, I beg. Let me drink.
What did you say?
Your mom came here and ordered her to leave. So, she has gone.
What, my mother came here?
Yes.
Ordered her to leave and you didn't bother to call me?
Hey, sir, I swear to God. I was calling your number, I keep calling your body.
Auntie! Stop! You tried to call me and it wasn't connecting. Get the gate!
Yes, sir. Small thing, now this man for don't nod me for head.
Yes, I'm looking for what?
Good afternoon, sir.
Juliet, is she here? It's Juliet.
Juliet for Sundays now. She has not come to the shop. Oh.
She hasn't been here?
Yes, sir. What do you want to buy now? I can sell for you. Is it orange? You have enough orange today. Oh. You know you like apple. I got pilots.
What? You mean she has not been here?
No, sir.
Do you have an idea where she can be? Like when she does not come here, where does she go? You have an idea?
I don't know, sir. I don't know.
You don't know?
I can say to you now, I'm here. Huh? I've not seen her for some days.
It's okay. It's okay.
I can say for you. Can't I say for you again?
Who there? Who's that? Where are you coming from? Oga has been looking for you.
I know, and that's why I came back. Can I go in?
Yes, wait, you go in, but let me just call Oga and tell him that you are here.
That won't be necessary. When he comes back, he will see me.
Where is your bag?
It's a long story. You won't understand.
One guy Oga got bacha away for you. Oga has entered this one. No going back. Oh.
Jay, I am beyond upset right now. I feel like doing something crazy. No, how can she do that to her?
She's supposed to call at least to tell you what happened, but calm down.
You won't blame her now, would you? The little girl is probably traumatized.
So we'll find her.
How? Where do we begin to search for her?
Somehow, somewhere we will look for her when we see her.
My dear.
Yes, yeah.
Your food is ready.
It's okay. I am coming.
All right.
Yeah.
That's Ijoma.
Oh, yeah. Send me Joma that you fired. Send me Joma doesn't fit into what you want in a woman.
No. The same girl who worked in my house.
Oh, yeah. She's the one.
What's she doing here?
It's a long story. It's a long story, bro. But it's not something I will not tell you. But first, you have to go home and see your mother. We'll talk about this later. On a lighter note, she lives here for now, and Ijoma is everything that Lara was not.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is that so?
Oh, yeah, sure. You have to go and see your mother now, okay?
Yeah. I think I understand what you mean.
Oh, of course.
Congrats, man.
Thank you.
We'll talk about this one. I'll see you.
All right.
I am going to be emphatic in addressing this issue. You will have nothing to do with that classless pig.
Mother, I take exception to that, Mother. I'm not going to stand here and have you describe my choice with such demeaning words. Don't do it, Mom.
You're not going to shut me because I've not even started.
There is nothing to start, Mother. This has nothing to do with you. This has everything to do with me, my life. It's about my life. I have made a choice, Mother, that everyone would have to go with. I have made my choice. There is nothing anybody can do about it.
Oh, son, you know me very well. There's no need battering words with you.
Mother, let me ask you. Why are you doing this? I need to know. Why are you doing this?
Because I want the best for you.
And
the best you shall get.
You want the best for me?
Oh yes, I want the best for you.
Like this? Mother, I ask you. Like this? Mother, you are forcing me very hard to take the decision to stop coming here to see you. You need to stop. If I love you, Mom, matter what you do to me, no matter how hard you push me, I'll never grow cold towards you because you are my mother. And I love you like I love myself. But you need to stop. You are crossing the line, Mom. Good night. Why is he so stubborn? Why? Why is he so stubborn? More stubborn than his father.
I have to be on my way now.
No. Can I have a moment with you?
Why not?
Sit. Ijoma, do you believe in coincidence?
I'll first need to understand the whole ideology of coincidence in line with what you have in mind before I would say I believe or not.
Your coming here that afternoon wasn't a coincidence. It was ordained by God, and I believe we should make good use of it.
I still do not understand what you're saying. I'm confused.
Why would you not want to be the woman of this house?
What?
I am serious. Just say yes, and I'll make you my wife.
But you know that won't be possible.
Why?
Until your marriage with Lara is fully dissolved by the law court and the bride price you paid on her head returned. Without that, I can't say yes. Because by the law and the tradition, you both are still married.
I told you last time that I've completed my presentation in the court. My darling, I am proposing to you because that marriage has been dissolved. I want to start a brand new life, and I want to start it with you. Say yes, and I'll make you happy forever.
Hey. Why are you crying? Huh? I have looked everywhere for you.
I know, and that's why I came back.
Stop crying. Huh? I'm here now. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Huh? What's going on? I'm back. What happened?
It's a long story.
Okay, I have all the time. I'm back. All right, but first things first. I'll have to move you into my room. That way you're safer there, and that's where you'll be till the end of the contract. I'm really sorry about what happened. Okay, stop now. Stop crying. Don't cry. I'm here. It's fine. Come. It's okay. Come on. Stop. Come. It's okay. Stop. Come back. Sorry.
Come on now, go ahead. Ah, no. You missed it. You cannot hold the knife, the spoon, and the fork at the same time. Okay? So this is what is going to happen. You hold the knife on your right hand. Let's assume you want to cut the meat. Now, watch me. So the knife on your right hand. Okay, so this has more strength, this has more grip. So you use this to hold it down, your left to hold it down, and then this has more grip, so you cut with this. Watch me, watch. So when you cut into smaller sizes, and then you can pick with the left, and it goes this way. Now that's step one. Okay, let's try it. You pin it down, then you cut with the right. You cut with the right. You have to cut on some, the soft part. Hold on. Don't worry, I'm here. I'll teach you. Okay, hold it. Hold it. No, not that way. Hold this way, just hold.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Just hold this way. And then you can just cut. Okay? You can cut. Okay, this one is a bit tough. So look for an easier. And then you cut this way. Okay. So I'm going to cut out a big chunk for you so that you can practice with a smaller chunk. Okay, so now this is a smaller chunk. So you pin this down this way and you cut this way and then you can pick this way. So let me see you try.
Thank you.
So cut this piece, let's see. Yeah, so you cut that into two. You apply a bit of pressure now so you can cut. Keep going. Then you pick with your left into your mouth. Okay, nice, but you don't have to hold this way. Like you pick, you pick and you go. So there's a certain finesse to it.
Okay.
You don't dig and go, nah. So you pick and you go. There's a little finesse to it. Okay, come on now. Keep practicing. You get it, huh? Right. Come on, let's go. Good. Now that's not too bad.
Yes,
Huh? Merci beaucoup. Right. Okay, while I pick mine. This is a bit heavy though, but I can handle it. Auntie, this is a specific instruction. On no account must my mother be allowed into this premises. If that happens, you are going to lose your job. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. But, sir, if I heard you clearly, did you say I should not open the gate for your mother?
I gave an instruction. Andy, you flout it, you're fired.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get the gate.
Thank you, sir.
You were not expecting the proposal the other day. I know why. It came as a surprise to you. And now you slept over it. What are you going to tell me?
When I made up my mind to visit you on that day, it was for you to help reconcile your friend and I, without knowing that God was actually using me to save a situation.
And now God has used you to save the situation. Why not settle in and own it?
I'm thinking about a lot of things.
A lot of things. Things like?
Things like what people will say. For instance, your friend and I, you know what happened between us. How would you feel if eventually I become your wife?
He has already congratulated us.
How possible is that? But I haven't even said yes to you yet.
You remember the last time you walked in here and you said food was ready. He saw and understood the chemistry between us. On that very day, he congratulated us. Ijoma, say yes to me and make me the happiest man on earth.
The truth is that you have proven to be a special breed of man. My coming to your house the other day wasn't ordinary. It was already ordained by God. I want to tell you that I have officially accepted to marry you. And I'm saying this from the deepest part of my heart.
Thank you so much, my love. Thank you. This is a second chance for me. And I know the glory of the new beginning in me, with you in my life, will supersede whatever I cherished in the former. Ijoma, I asked you again, for the last time, would you marry me? I promise to make you the happiest woman on earth.
Yes, I will marry you.
Very happy, eh?
Oh, this for me?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Oga Pilot.
Come. One more thing, come. Listen. No, stand. You know what? Sit here. Sit here. Come. Say. Listen, the days of Oga Pilot are over. You can give me a pet name. You know, something nice that you'd like to address me by, like baby. Yeah, sweetheart. My darling. Look at her. Okay? Stop being official with me, come on. I'm trying to make you one and the same with me.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, my darling.
Okay, my darling.
How sweet. That's beautiful. Say it one more time, babe. I'm waiting.
Okay, my darling.
Sounds good to you, huh? You know what? Come on. I just want you to know that I got those things for you. You know, so you're happy, and I'm trying to make you, you know, feel comfortable and free here with me. Come on, pick a few and let's change and see what we have.
Thank you.
Yes, and I'd like to see you get into them and see how it fits.
Okay, let me go. Let me go try this.
Make it quick. I like to see the transformed you.
Andy. Ma? What's the meaning of this? What's going on here? What's this?
Ma, I actually opened the gate for you because you parked your car outside. Yes. I want us to discuss in here to save you the embarrassment.
What are you saying?
That girl in there is my Oga's happiness. He values her so much. He said I should not open the gate for you.
You should not open the gate for me. Okay, Andy. Trust me for once. Allow me in, I will not make trouble. Just trust me.
Ma, I can't believe you. I can't believe you at all. What if you go inside that house and something goes wrong? I'll lose my job. No, I can't.
Andy, trust me. Just trust me, nothing will go wrong. I promise you, nothing will go wrong. You won't lose your job. Let me see who my son values the most.
It's just sounding so easy in your mouth. Ma, you don't even know what is happening here. Hi, how do I believe you now? Hi, no, you don't want to be in care. You don't want to be.
Good evening, ma'am.
Come, please, come. I know you're scared. Please, come. I come in peace. I know you're scared. Come, please. I'm sorry. I apologize to you for the harsh words I've been using on you. Please, I am sorry. I take back those words. I'm sorry, please.
Thank you, Ma. That's so heartwarming.
Thank you. So how are you?
I'm fine, Mom. Ma, your son already tore the contract papers and he has decided to make me his wife.
Are you serious?
Yes, Mom.
Oh yes, Mom. I am serious. We are serious, Mom. This young lady here has proven to be just the kind of woman that I need. As I speak to you, Mother, she's carrying. Or should I say that we're pregnant? She's carrying my child, Mother. And one more thing. Given the qualities that she has exhibited, it's only fitting that I make her my wife.
Oh my God!
So I present to you your...
Oh, please, come, get up. Oh, no. Thank you. Congratulations, son. Thank you. Hey!
I know we tolerate anybody we won't try to play with my heart. I know we tolerate I know we won't marry. I know we tolerate anybody we won't try to play with my heart. I know we tolerate I know we won't marry. I get bad temper, no be jojo. I know ready for the popo. Waiting at the young no na the coco. That's my life. Me, I can't stand the fact that somebody want to play with my heart, oh. Me, I know if you stand it. Somebody messing with my mind, oh. If I love you, girl, until I die. Me, I gonna love you well with my heart. If you ever play with me, girl, I go keep pressing. If I love you, girl, until I die. Me, I gonna love you well with my heart. If you ever play with me, girl, I know we tolerate anybody we won't try to play with my heart. I know we tolerate I know we won't marry. I know we tolerate anybody we won't try to play with my heart. I know we tolerate I know we won't marry. I get bad temper, no be jojo. I know ready for the popo. Waiting at the young no na the coco. That's my life. Me, I can't stand the fact that somebody want to play with my heart, oh. Me, I know if you stand it. Somebody messing with my mind, oh. If I love you, girl, until I die. Me, I gonna love you well with my heart. If you ever play with me, girl, I go keep pressing. If I love you, girl, until I die. Me, I gonna love you well with my heart. If you ever play with me, girl, I know if you tolerate, oh. Anybody who won't try to play with my heart, I know if you tolerate, oh. I know be woman, oh. I know if you tolerate, oh. Anybody who won't try to play with my heart, I know if you tolerate, oh. I can be woman.